Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and let's get pumped up with these SIMARI workout gloves. Now, these are for men and women. They are weightlifting gloves. They are super high quality. I love the padding. There's so much protection around my hands. It's easy to take off with the fingers because they have little tabs that you can pull off. The wrist guards are great. Like I said, they're designed specifically for weightlifting. I use them personally because I have very weak wrists. And so many workouts require you to support yourself, your whole body weight with your wrists. You have downward dog, you have mountain climbers, push-ups, everything. And eventually my wrists just have so much pain. So I really need a lot of support, and these offer this for me. They are really nice, high quality. I love that you can adjust how tight it is on your wrist, or if you want it to be a little bit looser, if maybe you have swollen wrists or anything like that. Even if you have injured your wrist, it's a nice way to maybe not do any intense exercising, but at least you can do something a little active and get that little extra support so that you don't further injure yourself. These are a great set of gloves. It is, again, because they're so small and lightweight, they're an easy thing to have, an easy thing to store, and it can really help you whether you're going to the gym, you're doing at-home workouts, videos, whatever. It's good for men and women. It comes in different sizes. I think these are a great thing to have at home and on the go. And that's my point of view.